Hi everyone. In this video, I am sharing with you 5 more Python one-liner codes that you can easily learn in 30 seconds or less. These one-liner codes will save your time and make your code look cleaner and more readable. Let's see. Get quotient and remainder. We have been given two positive integers, dividend and divisor. Now we need to get quotient and remainder. With the help of div mod function, that is built-in function in Python, we can get quotient and remainder easily. Run the program. You will get 4 and 5. 4 is quotient and 5 is remainder. You must be thinking what this div mode function is returning. Actually, this function is returning a tuple. So you will see a result in tuple. You see 4 and 5, where 4 is quotient and 5 is remainder. Next one liner, sorting a list in descending order. We have one list of integer. We want to sort this list in a descending order, right? If you run the program, so by default, this list is showing in a ascending order. If you set a reverse argument on sorted function, that will make this list descending, right? You see, and you can see this is a type of list object which sorted class is returning, right? Next one liner, get a string of digits from 0 to 9. If you want to get a string of digits from 0 to 9, so we have to import just a string module. You can do it in one line, right? And with help of this module, this string, we have this digit. Okay, when you run the program, so you will see this is a string which returns 0 to 9. You can get other more string values from this module, string module. You see, this is returning digits in a string. This is returning ASCII values in upper cases, lower cases, or letters, and then printables. If you run, so you will see digits in a string, all ASCII upper cases, right? All ASCII lower cases, A to Z, all ASCII letters, right? You see, including lower and upper cases, and all printable values in a string. You see, so this module is very helpful to us. You can get the advantage from this module. Next one liner, short dictionary with keys and values. Okay, we have a one dictionary users. If you run this dictionary, so it will show like this: India, Australia, US. Okay, but in order to sort a dictionary on keys in ascending order, you have to just use this one liner code, right? What we are doing, we are creating another dictionary here. So here we are applying list comprehension on this dictionary, right? With help of sorted function, we are passing dictionary keys here, and in this key we will be getting ascending keys here, and that ascending keys we are setting into another dictionary. We are creating another dictionary here. Okay, in the program you will see this is a ascending order of the dictionary. Ascending orders on keys A, I, and U. If you want to reverse the order of this dictionary key, you can just use reverse as true. Okay, now the order of this dictionary key would be descending: US, India, and AUS. Okay, in the same way, if you want to apply ordering on your dictionary values, that is also possible. This is same type of dictionary users. Now we are doing something different here, right? We are using sorted class, and we are passing now items, not keys. And then we are passing a key here with the help of lambda function, which means we are now getting key as a value here, right? And that key would be set as a value, and then this key would come here, and this key we are setting here as a value. This will be sorted. If you run the program, 10, 14, and 18, because it is working on value, not on key. In the same way, if you want to make it descending, you have to just pass on reverse as true. So you would see US at the first place. Run it. 18, 14, and 10. Now order has been changed. Next one liner, that is remove numbers from string. We have a string which contains numbers. Okay, now we want to remove these all numbers from this string. Okay, in order to remove these numbers from this string, we have to use join function, and with help of filter function, we are just taking the characters which are only alpha, not numeric. You see, and we are passing this list here in the filter function, and then we are getting values. In the program, you will see only alpha characters, not numbers. Okay, with the help of this is alpha, it will return true or false. Filter function works on the boolean value true or false. Value is true, it will add that character into the yield.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.